Teardrops in my eyes. You were the one who I've loved, but then a beautiful goodbye. Thunder is lighting up the sky, but in my heart it's dark inside. A beautiful time with you I had, but now it's time to pick up the pieces and move on. Sometimes love is not enough, and then the road gets tough. The road is long, but I will carry on. But it's hard to believe that it's done, but I will move on. Ooh, move on. I will move on. Ooh, move on. Job and I was running with my red high heels on, but I've missed the train and had a bad, bad day. But I had to move on, 'cause you can't be late on your first working day. So I called my boss and I told him a lie, but then I saw that guy. He was staring at me with his blue, blue eyes, and I felt that my cheeks turned red, the same color of my high heels. Oh, and I want you to be mine. Oh, and I want you to be mine. I asked him where he would go today, 'cause I didn't want him to walk away. So he said it doesn't matter anyway, 'cause when I saw you I only want to say, I saw your eyes, I saw your smile, I just wanna ask ask, would you stay for a while? I saw your eyes, I saw your smile, and I just want to say, oh, that I want you to be mine. Oh, and I want you to be mine. Oh, and I want you to be mine. To